Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is about daytime and nighttime eye makeup. I'm going to start with the nighttime look, which is my favorite. This glitter look is absolutely amazing. This is a super easy tutorial that you can use for daily makeup, even for beginners. So make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using the dark eyeshadow from this palette and applying some of the shadow all over my lid using a fluffy or blending brush. I'm taking my time to let the eyeshadow fully cover my entire lid without any harsh lines. This eyeshadow color is truly gorgeous. I'm also not applying too much shadow to my lid because I want the end result to be a soft, diffused, smoky effect. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. In any case, I have written the information about the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I'm also applying the same eyeshadow to my lower lash line. I'm starting from the outer corner and blending the shadow towards the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow that can be found in most eyeshadow palettes. Using a small brush, I'm only applying this shadow to the area of my lid that's closest to my lash line, not all the way across the full lid. I'm applying the shadow from the inner to outer corner, just focusing on that lash line area. Then I'm using a larger fluffy brush to blend out and soften the edges of the shadow that I applied. The combination of these two eyeshadow placements and blending techniques creates a really beautiful, easy smoky eye look. This eye makeup can be worn for both everyday and special occasions. Next, I'm using this glitter powder eyeshadow. With my finger, I'm applying a small amount of the glitter all over my entire eyelid. See how beautiful and shimmery this eye makeup has become with the glitter added. I'm sure you will love this look. I'm also applying the glitter on the lower lash line in the areas that are not covered by the eyeshadow. Next, I'm using an eyeliner. I'm drawing a winged line starting from the outer corner of my eye and continuing it towards the middle of my lid. You can extend the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner of your eye based on your personal preference. I'm also applying false lashes to complete the eye makeup. This smoky eye with the glitter is now finished. If you are new to do this type of look, I'd recommend doing this glamorous nighttime eye makeup step by step, as it's quite versatile and can be worn for special occasions or even as the everyday makeup look. Alright, let's move on to the next eye makeup look. I'm really excited to teach this pink eyeshadow look. I love soft pink toned eye makeups. They are both simple and really cute. Pink toned eye makeup is such a beautiful feminine style that works well for all different occasions. So let's go ahead and do this step by step. For the eyeshadow base, I'm using the light pink shade from this palette. I'm applying it all over the lid using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Make sure the eyeshadow is blended really well so there are no harsh lines or uneven coverage. You want the base pink shade to be seamlessly diffused across the entire eyelid. I'm also applying the light pink shade along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use the deeper, more vibrant pink eyeshadow shade using the same fluffy brush. I'm going to apply this darker pink eyeshadow only to the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to make sure to blend this darker shade really well, diffusing it from the outer corner and extend it inward about halfway across the lid. I'm also applying it from the outer corner of my lower lash line towards the middle. Next, I'm going to use a lighter brown eyeshadow shade. I'm going to apply just a small amount of this lighter brown shade very close to the lash line on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm also going to use this lighter brown shade and apply it only at the very outer edge of my lower lash line. It's time to do a cut crease effect. Grab your favorite concealer and a small concealer brush. Starting at the inner corner of your eyelid, follow the natural crease of your lid. Carefully apply the concealer, extend blending it out about halfway across your lid. The key is to follow the contour of your natural crease line as you apply the concealer in a curved motion. This will create the illusion of a more defined dramatic crease. Don't worry if the results aren't perfect on the first try. Be patient with yourself and keep trying. With some repetition, you will get better at mastering this technique. Next, I use a lighter eyeshadow shade from this palette. Since I was not happy with the concealer shade I used before, you can start with a lighter concealer as that will make the eye makeup look more beautiful. Then I use the light pink eyeshadow shade again and apply it in the cut crease area. This eye makeup look very beautiful and cute. Using the lighter pink shade in the crease really makes the eye makeup look lovely and eye-catching. I'll finish the eye makeup look by applying eyeliner. Since my eyes have a bit of puffiness, I usually extend the eyeliner line only halfway across my lid as that tends to be more flattering for the shape of my eyes. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!